In critical care, every decision matters, and every moment counts. But what happens after the simulation ends? Introducing SimVision AI, the world's first AI-powered debriefing simulator for ECMO training. Designed to go beyond observation, transform simulation data into intelligent, structured insight, revealing hidden patterns, highlighting critical decisions, and guiding clinicians towards mastery. Because true learning doesn't happen in the moment, it happens in the reflection that follows. SimVision AI. Train better, debrief smarter, save lives.
Yes, I think that we are really moving forward in reference to how we educate and how we prepare our clinicians to best quality care for our patients. This is cutting edge. This is the next level. Really excited about where this is going.
Well, I think they are pretty advanced, and it's the first time I saw something like this, and I think it would be very, very, very useful for any trainings.
You know, I think EuroELSO 2026 has really opened our eyes to where the future is going, where we're going, how we take our care of our patients. This education opportunity, with the way you guys are building your simulations, high fidelity, and really taking it to the next level to make it real action, is going to be what sustains us.